Hello everybody and welcome to the Whiskey Dictionary, where I do the research to try to teach you a little something about what you're drinking. So, as you can probably tell from the title, I am just over the 10,000 mark. Now I'm maybe a couple hundred over because it's taken me a few days longer than I wanted to make this video. But to celebrate, I wanted to run a contest. And thanks to the generosity of one of my viewers who sent me this, the Aroma Academy Whiskey Aroma Training Kit. This is a box of all different smells, essentially. And what this is, if you look, it's 24 different little bottles. Each one of these has a different, essentially, aroma to it. And what it is it's a way to train your nose to recognize different aromas. Now, some of the examples that it has in here, for example, are buttery, caramel, malty, cut grass, sherry, and even decay, which I don't know. I kind of want to nose that one, see what that's like. But either way, this is going to be yours. So how do you enter? Now, there's 3 different things that you got to do, and 2 of them are very easy. The other one's pretty easy. So number 1, you've got to sub to the channel. Duh. So number 2, I want you to think about either which video got you into my channel or just one of my videos that you really liked and share it to social media. Now, this is one of those things that like everybody says to do, you know, like, favorite, subscribe, share, blah, blah, blah. And most of us don't bother doing it because, you know, what does it mean to us, or we're just wanting to get to the next video. But in the case of my channel, where it's now at 10,000, that's still like really, really small. Even though it's pretty decent in our niche, it's like still a very small channel. I want to get a little bit more out there. So please do me that favor and just share any one of my videos. Now the third part, and also, like I said, pretty easy, is comment on this video. Basically, just, I want you to comment something specific though. Comment a bottle that I could reasonably get my hands on, that preferably I haven't already done a video on it, although that won't exclude you from the contest. And comment down in the comments, and I will choose one of those bottles. And next week, February 28th at 9 p.m., I'm going to do a live stream. And whichever one of those bottles I picked, I'll buy and I'll bring it on to the show. And that will be the winner. Now, in the event that somebody or more than one person suggests the same bottle, it'll be whoever suggested it first. So if you see your bottle on my live stream, then you are the winner. Now, the couple of quick rules is that this needs to be somebody within the United States, only because this is a box filled with liquids, and I don't want this getting hung up in customs. I just don't want to deal with the headache. So, unfortunately, United States only. Outside of that, that's it. I'll put the official rules in the description just so that there's no ambiguity, and in case I missed something while talking to you here. But I hope that you guys all enjoy this contest. Let me tell you, this thing, I think, just for reasons of disclosure or whatever, this is about $150, $160, and like, I'm really kind of bummed that I'm giving this away because I really want this thing. It's been sitting on my bar for a couple of weeks now, and I'm tempted to order one myself. So anyway, I hope that you end up really enjoying this, and I will see you on my next review. Thanks.